We all know that Father Time is undefeated. Yet, we put off to tomorrow what we should be doing today. This film is an open letter to all who ride. The ones who want to ride that open road. The road that teaches you about yourself. The road that brings you to new places. The open road that leads you to a long overdue fishing trip with your father.
Just taking in this Montana sunrise, it's awesome.
I think the favorite part was actually 2 days ago when we found this place.
I agree.
Because we found it, we're not supposed to be here because it's a secret. And when we found what Montana was all about, they don't want to tell you. They want to keep it a secret.
It's a place where you can find out how to be a better husband, a better father, and a better friend. It will come with its own set of challenges that might take you to your breaking point.
Okay, I had to stop. It's been 109, pushing 110, going back to 109 for 100 miles.
But in the end, it will all be worth it.
Sturgis 2024.
That
What'd you think?
was awesome.
It's the places we'll go and the people we'll meet. It's the laughter of friendship and the joy you'll find in between.
Oh, what's up, baby?
We're heading over to Yosemite. These are the type of areas that I always think about.
It's the miles of summer.